Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations. Bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alberta at 6:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Sunday, July 25th, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Wetaskiwin County near Wetaskiwin, Millet, and Highway 2. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Wetaskiwin County near Pigeon Lake. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Wetaskiwin County near Alder Flats and Winfield. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Parklands County near Entwistle, Vallis, and Tomahawk, Parklands County near Wabamun, Carvel, and Keep Hills, and Brazeau County near Drayton Valley and Breton. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Spruce Grove, Morinville, Mayerthorpe, Evansburg, and City of Edmonton, St. Albert, Sherwood Park. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Drayton Valley, Devon, Rimbey, Pigeon Lake, and Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Environnement Canada